All right, here we got Blizzard, Shotgun Wedding. Oh, it's for the Billie Eilish sample. Whoa, I did not expect that. It's been a long time since I've been surprised listening to a song and it went the right way. When he came in with that raspy voice on that mellow beat, it threw me for a curve, but like, that nigga could rap. It's not easy to rap on a beat like that. That's crazy. The different flows, like, did y'all hear how many different flows was in that song? Went from hip hop to alternative rock to poetry, singing shit. Like, yo, that's an artist. I would consider that like some new hip hop shit. You really rapping on some rock shit. This new band I listen to called Scarlet House, and it's kind of like that alternative rock, but this nigga rapping. Oh, I ain't never heard no shit like this before. Shout out to Blizzard, man. Bars in that bitch. He's saying real shit. His voice sounds nice. It's mixed well. That's a 10 out of 10 song. A lot of people should look into this artist just to study. The amount of attention to detail inside of the music, I think, could develop a lot of artists. And that's what we're doing here. We helping artists develop. We supporting, we pushing and motivating. Shout out to Blizzard.